Let's make cinnamon quick bread. Add 1 large egg to a bowl and whisk. Then add 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, and 1/3 cup of sour cream, and give it a mix. Add 1 cup of sugar and mix. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and whisk, or you could also use a sifter. Add about half of the flour mixture to the batter and mix. Then add the other half and mix until all combined. In a small bowl, combine 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and mix until combined. Grease with shortening and dust with flour a 5 by 9 inch bread loaf pan, then pour in half of the batter. Sprinkle the cinnamon and sugar evenly on top, then add the rest of the batter. Use a butter knife and make zigzags in the batter. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow it to cool for about 10 minutes. Then use a butter knife or cake spatula and go around the edges. Remove the loaf from the pan and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. Slice it up and serve it plain, or spread some butter on top. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.